Hello students, today let us see first chapter Samarchanam. Samarchanam means worship. Let us see now introduction, first paragraph. The Vedas are the authentic and authoritative books of ancient Indian society and religion. There are four Vedas, that is Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samveda and Atharvaveda. The verses of the Vedas are called mantras. In the Veda mantras, there is sometimes incantation, means hymns of praise, and sometimes prayer. Sometimes there is a description of somebody and sometimes deep philosophical ideas. In the present lesson, only three mantras of incantation, prayer and worship have been included. Inspired by the Vedas, etc., many hymns and prayers have been composed in different meters, which have been preserved in human mind and reached us. Presented here are three such hymns of praise. We have the tradition of having an invocation at the beginning of the book. With that in mind, let us begin our learning of Sanskrit with an invocation. Let us see now poem. See the picture. In that picture, sun god is there, and in that sun god, Om is there, and then very famous Gayatri mantra is there. Om Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. It is taken from Rigveda. So, in this mantra, saints sages pray to sun god. Om, we worship that excellent luster of sun god, which may inspire to our mind. So, in this poem, Samarchanam means worship. Here, two parts are there in this poem. First part, that is called Vedikam, because here three mantras taken from Vedas. That's why it is called Vedikam. Now let us see first mantra. Agni mile purohitam yagyasya devam mrutwijam. Agni mile is equal to Sandhi is there. Agni Maha plus long E ile. Agni Maha plus ile. Agnim ile Purohitam. So I invoke fire. Purohitam Yagyasya. And who is the Purohit of Yagnam? Means sacrifice. Devam Brutwijam, and Devam Mahap plus Rutwijam. Here Sandhi is there. Devam Rutwijam is equal to Devam Mahap plus Rutwijam. And officiating priest at a sacrifice of God. Devam Rutwijam means officiating priest at a sacrifice of God. Let us see second line. Hotaram means the one who perform havans, means sacrifice. Ratna Dhatamam means and who wears gems. It is taken from Rigveda. Now let us see second verse. Agne Vratpate, O Agni, Lord of vows. Vratam Charisyami, I will do the practice of vow. Tat Chakeyam is equal to Tataha plus Sakeyam Mahap Sandhi is there. That I can. Tanme is equal to Tataha plus me, Tanme Radyadam, and that make me accomplished. Second line, idam aham anrutat sandhi is there. Idam maha plus aham maha plus anrutato taha. Satyam, next word also sandhi is there. Satyam upayati upaymi is equal to satyam maha plus upaymi. So idam aham anutat satyam upaymi, it means in this way I approach, I attain truth from false. It is taken from Yajurveda. Now let us see mantra number 3. It is also taken from Yajurveda. Namaha Sambhavai, I bow down to Lord Shiva. Mayo Bhavai cha, who bring tranquility. Namaha Sankarai cha, and from whom happiness is derived. Second line, Mayaskarai cha, who does welfare. Namaha Shivai cha, Shiva Tarai cha, and who gives happiness is extremely beneficial. Now let us see second part of this poem, and that is called Laukikam, and verse number 4. Let us see second part of this poem, that is called Laukikam, and page number 2. Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutah Stunvanti Divyaihi Stavaihi. Lord Brahma, Varun, Indra, Rudra, Marut also pray to him by divine stotras, by divine prayers. Vedaihi Sangapad Kramopnisadaihi Gayanti Yam Samagaha. Sang is equal to Sa plus Ang, and Kramopnisadaihi is equal to Kram plus Upnisadaihi Visarg. So sages who are reciter of mantras of Samveda sing 6 Vedans prose in order along with Upanishads and Vedas. Dhyanavasthit tadgaten manasa pasyanti yam yogino. So sages who attain state of meditation also see him by mind. Last line of this verse, Yasyantam is equal to Yasya plus Antam Mahap. Sandhi is there. Yasyantam na viduhu surasur ganaha is equal to Sur plus Asur ganaha Visarg. Devai tasmai namaha. So gods and demons do not know about his end. I bow down to that divine God. Yes. Devai tasmai namaha. I bow down to that divine God. Now let us see verse number 5. Bhayanam Bhayam. You are the fear among fear. Visanam Visananam. You are danger among dangerous. Gatihi Praninam. You are speed among animals. Pavanam Pavananam. You are holy among pious. Mohochahi Padanam Niyantru Tvam Ekam. Mohochahi is equal to Maha plus Uchchahi Visarg. And Tvam Ekam, last word of this line, Tvam Ekam is equal to Tvam Maha plus Ekam Maha, Sandhi is there. So Mohochahi Padanam Niyantru Tvam Ekam, you are the one only who controls of those who holding the highest position. Last line, Paresam is equal to Par plus Esam Mahap. Paresam Param, you are the best among best. Raksakam Raksakanam, and you are the protector of protector. Now let us see verse number 6. Vayam Tvam Smaramu, we remember you. Vayam Tvam Bhajamu, we worship you. Vayam Tvam Jagat Sakshi Rupam Namamaha. Jagataha plus Sakshi Rupam Mahap, Sandhi is there. So we bow down to you, who is the victim of the whole universe, who is the victim of the world. Third line, Sadekam is equal to Sadaha plus Ekam Mahap. Sadekam Nidanam, you only the treasure of truth. Niralambam Isam is equal to Niralambam Maha plus long E Isam Maha. Niralambam Mahap plus long E Isam Mahap. So you are the God who is self-dependent. Last line, first word, Bhavam Bodhibotam is equal to Bhava plus Ambodhibotam Mahap. So you are like the boat which takes one across the world. Bhavam Bodhibotam, it means you are like the boat which takes one across the world, like sea. It means you are like the boat which takes one across the world like ocean. Saranyam means you are worthy to take refuge. Vrajamaha, it means so we attain you.